Top facts about biotechnology companies you should know. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is an extensive branch of biology that involves using living systems and organisms, or part of them to develop or create new products. Types of biotechnology. Medical biotechnology, the use of living cells and cell materials to produce pharmaceutical and diagnostic products. Agricultural biotechnology, agritech, this is the application of scientific tools and techniques to modify living organisms such as animals, plants, and microorganisms. Microbial biotechnology, industrial microbiology, applies engineering and science principles in food production involving microorganisms and their products. Animal biotechnology. The use of molecular biology techniques to modify genetically the genome of animals to advance their suitability for agricultural, industrial or pharmaceutical applications. Forensic biotechnology. The medical science branch that applies biotechnology methods to investigate genomic information in order to identify specific signatures. Aquatic biotechnology. The applying of aquatic organisms such as fishes, aquatic plants, and marine bacteria in biotechnology. Industrial biotechnology. The use of enzymes to make bio-based products such as biofuels, chemicals, detergents etc. Bioremediation. The use of naturally occurring or deliberately introduced microorganisms to treat contaminated environment. What biotechnology companies do? They are the companies that use living organisms, or their products, for example as bacteria or enzymes, to produce drugs. They are medical laboratory technologists that utilize biological technology to identify and solve problems. Handle issues that require biological technician. Offer biomedical engineering services. What it takes to be a biotechnology professional. What course? To qualify for a biotechnology professional, you must have a bachelor's degree in the field of biological sciences, chemistry, biochemistry, or molecular biology. Where do they work? Due to the vast application of biotechnology in many industries, a professional can work in multiplicity of organizations such as clinical laboratories, government agencies, regulatory bodies, or private companies. These are the best biotech companies in the world. Novo Nordisk A.S. Alkermes plc. Incyte Corporation. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals Inc. United Therapeutics Corporation. Alexion Pharmaceuticals Inc. Vertex Pharmaceuticals Inc. Ionis Pharmaceuticals Inc. Jazz Pharmaceuticals plc, Jazz. Biomarin Pharmaceutical Inc. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.